In today's video, we're gonna be having some people over to go swimming. We're gonna be making some big beef dino plate ribs. You're not gonna wanna miss this. So now what some consider, including myself, is probably the best bite in barbecue. If you can find them, pick yourself up some big, they're called plate ribs. People call them Dino Bones, Dino Ribs. They are the short rib, but they are the full size, big beef, 3 or 4 bone, big beef dino ribs. So we're gonna be using our pellet grill today. We're gonna be using knotty wood pellets. We're gonna be doing these things for hours and hours and hours at 250 degrees. And by the time that they're all done, I think everybody at our little pool party is gonna be very, very impressed. So this is more of a vlog style video. I'm just gonna show you some behind the scenes footage. Now, I'm gonna show you how we make them on the pellet grill with the knotty wood pellets, but I'm also gonna just show you the fun and shenanigans we're having here in the backyard. What do we got here, babe?
We have beef short ribs that you ordered. They're prime and they're aged from Wild Fork.
So on the bone side of the ribs, we don't remove the membrane on these big beef plate dino ribs. Babe's just scoring it a little bit. Just, you don't even need to do that really. And then on this side, Babe's just gonna trim a little bit of silver skin. She's trimming towards her finger because she wants to lose an actual finger. So, and she wants to visit an emergency room today with her dull knife going to lose a finger. We're using suckle busters. Let me see it, babe. Let's see it.
Literally, the meat just came yesterday.
Yeah, that's the beef rub from Suckle Busters. It's really, really good stuff.
And now it's getting messy in here.
And what has Babe learned about barbecue? We don't rub, we pat in.
Yeah. I did learn that.
These dino ribs, plate ribs, these big dino bones, I'm having a very, very difficult time finding them in California. I've seen them very, very, very few times at Costco and never anywhere else. So when I want to buy them, I usually go, I got these from Wild Fork. It's an online website. Snake River Farms has them. I get them online and I have them shipped to my house normally when I want to do them. And they're really, really actually a barbecue treat. We don't make them that often, but they are so, so good. All right, today we're going to be using this little cheap King Chi pellet grill from Amazon. And we're only using the best. I'm really loving these pellets lately. It's knotty wood barbecue pellets. So we're using those. And it's like an almond Cabernet. They have a really good plum pellet also, but I'm really loving knotty wood pellets, and I'm not loving these shadows bright and early in the morning. We're gonna set this thing at 250 degrees, and we're gonna just let these ribs go all day really low and slow, spritzing along the way. Well, anybody that has a pellet grill or any type of barbecue or in an oven or anything, just run it low and slow. 225, 250. Babe's putting on the ribs right there. You can't even see them because of the shadow. Holy good moly. Yeah, babe.
Looks delicious.
All right.
I can't wait.
Here we go. All right, it's been 3 hours. I haven't even looked at them yet, but 3 hours at 250. What we got here? Starting to get a little bit of pullback. I'm gonna spritz it with a little bit of water, but that's 3 hours at 250. We got a long way to roll still. All right, so I hope you're enjoying the video thus far. I think now is the appropriate time to say thank you to our top tier 2, I can't even talk, I'm so excited, tier 2 and epic tier 3 channel members. Everybody that took the time to hit that little join button next to the subscribe button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you, all of our channel members so, so much. Thank you for supporting our little YouTube hobby. And after 6.5 hours, you can see a good bone pull back. Let's see here. Like 169. 163, 164. So we got another couple of hours to go probably. 175. You can see, I mean, these are gonna be excellent when it's all said and done. Babe, come look here. What did you do?
I made a back flop.
A back flop.
Yeah.
That's different than a belly flop.
Well, I was trying to do a front flip and I back flopped.
You back flopped.
And it hurt really bad.
You flopped.
Yeah, I flopped. And it hurt.
Okay, almost 10 hours in, we're about done. No wrap, just a lot of water spritzing. It's gonna be amazing. 10 hours in, and yeah, coming along all day long at 250. I think these are gonna turn out really, really well. Not bad for pool party Dino Bone ribs. Yeah, babe.
Right now.
You should pick one of those up and
Rib.
make a thumbnail. Whoa, dog.
Whoa, dog.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I can't put my mouth around it. Best thing I've ever put in my mouth. I agree.
Are you gonna fall in love with these?
I don't want to hear the best thing.
I agree.
America. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this more vlog style video with the, you know, the vertical and the this and the that, and just kind of just experiencing what it's like to just barbecue with friends, go swimming and stuff like that. If you guys like this type of content, let me know in the comments below. Let Babe know. We're always interested to hear your feedback. All right, we'll see you on the next video.